It's funny, there's like a joke going around in camp at the moment that Jess has been saying that she's going to retire for the last 5 years, I think. I think after Switzerland, we thought, oh, is this the time? It's always just been like, oh, is this going to be it? But she's just stayed on. And the fact that she's announced it officially seems just a bit weird. You know, we've all been here. Jess has been a part of everyone's journey. So I think it's just strange to think that this is her actual last. Not just spoken about it, yeah.
How much of an inspiration has she been to you over the years?
Yeah, I think, like I said, she's played a part in everyone's journey. I mean, my first cap was Jess's 100th. And I remember that game, and, you know, my first shirt, she signed it because when growing up, Jess was, you know, the superstar for Wales. She still is the superstar. But for me as a young girl, like coming into camp, she was one of the players I was like, yeah, she's cool. I hate that I'm saying this about Jess right now, but yeah, she's just played a huge part in my journey, you know, my first cap to every moment, every game or every experience that I've shared with her. It's been super special.
She's scored so many goals for Wales. Is there one kind of Jess Fishlock highlight that stands out for you?
I mean, there's so many. She always scores that goal, doesn't she? The first at the Euros. Like, of course, Jess was going to score that. Remember the one against Bosnia in the extra time? And yeah, I mean, Jess has her moments that are just perfect, really. So yeah, a lot of them.
Too many of them, basically.
Too many, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi, Ffion. Obviously not just Jess retiring, but Kayleigh Barton as well has announced her retirement, especially for you as a forward. What's it been like to be playing alongside Kayleigh for all these years?
Yeah, I think she's a player that's always, you know, worked so hard. And you can see that when she's on the pitch, her work rate and just her love for playing for Wales is what every player should be like and is like in this camp. So yeah, she's just, you know, everything that she does, she wears her heart on her sleeve and she says all the things in the moments, and it's just like, yeah, she's such a passionate player for Wales, and yeah, another, you know, player that's made huge steps for Wales.
It's obviously been a big summer for you playing for Wales, but obviously club level as well, making that move to West Ham, making that move back to the WSL, just how that move came about and just how much you enjoying your time at West Ham.
Yeah, really good. I think I wanted to make that step to the WSL again and play at the highest level that I can. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it. The football is great and the players are really good. So I feel like I'm, you know, taking that step now at the age that I am, that I really want to push on. And I feel like, yeah, West Ham's giving me that right now. So.
And you talk about making that step, you know, at West Ham, you've got Shekiera, Martinez and Viviane who've done so well in WSL, especially last season. When you train alongside those proven attackers at the top tier, do you feel yourself every day improving?
Yeah, for sure. And I have to be on my game every training session, every game. And I think that's what I've needed and I've wanted. So now that I'm in that position and I'm learning off these girls, yeah, I think it's going to do me wonders, hopefully.
Diolch.
Diolch.
Any other questions in English? No? Okay, bydd ni symud ymlaen i'r cwestiynau Cymraeg.
Nôl i fan hyn. Ffion, yr un cwestiynau yn Gymraeg, really. Efo Jess, be oedd y ymateb di pan nes di ffeindio allan?
Yeah, tym bach o sioc. Wel, dim sioc, ond o'n i'n gwybod bod e'n dod, ond i clywed o Jess a fel Cymru yn neud yn announcement yn just tym bach yn... Fe ti'n meddwl bod Jess ddim mynd i bod ma camp nesaf, so mae fe'n odd, achos mae hi wedi bod rhan o pob fel journey pob person yn y camp sydd wedi chwarae i Cymru, so yeah, ond yeah, just yn odd. Yeah.
Allai ddychmygu. Faint o ysbrydoliaeth mae hi wedi bod i ti dros y blynyddoedd nes di dorri mewn i'r tîm pan oedd hi'n ennill i chanfed cap, dwi'n meddwl, do?
Yeah, cap cyntaf fi a wedyn 100 i hi, so oedd e'n crazy. Mae hi, wel, o dechrau i fi, mae Jess wedi bod yn fel idol i fi tyfu lan a wedyn yn shirt Cymru. So, yeah, mae hi wedi wneud ran yn pob person fel y journey, pob chwaraewr ar y tîm fan hyn. So, yeah, just mad.
sut ydych chi'n mynd i ymdopi heb di, dim yn unig ar y cae, ond oddi ar y cae hefyd fel person?
Mae pêl-droed yn newid pob tro, a mae pobl yn dod mewn y mas, ond mae Jess wedi bod ers erioed, fi'n credu. So, mae'n mynd i bod yn wahanol, ond dyma fel opportunities i pobl arall i sefyll lan a cymryd shirts a bod yn leader fel mae Jess wedi bod am blynyddoedd. So, fel transition i ni, ond mae'n exciting still.
A jyst yn ola, sa ti'n gorfod dewis un gol ella gan Jess dros y blynyddoedd. Dwi'n gwybod bod wedi sgorio gymaint, ond dewis un gol, un foment ella, pa un sy'n dod i'r meddwl i ti?
Yr un yn yr Euros fi'n credu. Just wrth gwrs, mae Jess mynd i sgorio'r un cyntaf i Cymru yn yr Euros. So,
Ond mae yna gymaint ohonyn nhw, does dyna?
No, odi,
Diolch i ti.
Diolch.
Gwych, diolch. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
One at the back. Yeah, sorry.
Shwmae, Ffion.
Shwmae.
O'n i'n moyn gofyn un arall am Jess, ond un arall cyffredinol hefyd. Y gyffredinol, mae'r Euros wedi bod lot o wynebau newydd yn y garfan. Faint mae hwn yn teimlo fel penod newydd i Gymru?
Fel transition i we. Mae llawer o bobl yn retiring, fel mae Jess a mae Kayleigh, a llawer o newidiad gyda injuries hefyd. So, mae'n just chance i gweld fwy o pobl, pobl ifanc. So, mae'n exciting, a mae'n wahanol, ond ni'n edrych ymlaen fel gwlad i cymryd fel take the team, gobeithio i adeiladu a ceri Euros arall a qualifio am major tournaments arall. So, project exciting i we.
Am Jess, ti'n sôn fyna, mae wedi dylanwadu a pawb yn y garfan rhyw ffordd. I ti, be gymryd i wrth Jess Fishlock ar amser chi wedi gwario gyda'i gilydd gyda Cymru?
Just pob tro mae hi ar y cae. Mae hi'n neud rhywbeth special. Mae hi'n fel seren i Cymru. A mae just dy hi fel spark ar y cae. Mae fe'n special, a mae pawb yn gwybod bod mae Jess yn special, ond so'n gwybod fel gallai fi gael y spark neu rhywbeth fel mae Jess, ond mae just idol, hero i Cymru, beth mae hi wedi wneud am y game yn Cymru, ers bod fi'n ferch fach i nawr, it's just incredible.
Diolch.
Diolch.